Hey folks, rapid changes are on the way in the coming days. Thanks for clicking onto my Weather Extra. Those spring-like conditions we had over the weekend, that is ancient history, at least for the time being. Tomorrow night we'll have some snow moving in, some freezing rain on Wednesday, some heavier rain, strong gusty winds, and warmer temperatures on Thursday. And in the extended forecast, it looks like the cold air wins out again. Let's start off with our satellite radar tonight. High pressure is cresting over the area, so we have a mainly clear sky across the region. That's going to aid in the cool conditions tonight. Lows will be in the single digits and teens. It's actually a little area of low pressure developing out in here. That's our weather for tomorrow night into Wednesday. And the main event is this guy down in here, down through the Gulf states. That is going to bring us the rain, the warmer temperatures, and the strong gusty winds for Thursday. So let's get in a little bit closer and we'll show you how this is going to go down. There's that first little wave of low pressure. Notice a little bit of snow developing. As soon as probably late tomorrow afternoon with that onshore wind, we could see some ocean effect snow showers getting going 3, 4, 5 o'clock. But it looks like most accumulating snow, and it's going to be light accumulations, will be tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. In fact, that's 2 a.m. Wednesday. There should be a defined lull, kind of like last week's storm system, and then the main event arrives on Thursday. Now, Wednesday, the main concern Wednesday will be for some freezing rain and freezing drizzle. We could have some slippery travel for both the morning and afternoon commute. There's the, just ahead of the front, we could have some heavy downpours, some strong gusty winds out of the southeast, and some temperatures right around 50 degrees. So, here we go again. Here's Storm Tracker tomorrow morning. There's nothing warm about this forecast in the morning. We're running in the teens, in fact. Notice the lack of clouds. It is going to be a beautiful sunny start to the day. With an onshore wind, there may be some snow showers or flurries getting going as 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Shouldn't be a big deal. A steadier snow moves in late tomorrow night and extends through Wednesday morning. That's 5 o'clock Wednesday morning. Notice it's snowing for just about the entire region during that period, and I do expect some accumulations. However, they should be light. We're starting to introduce some of that freezing rain, freezing drizzle over southern zones, coastal zones. The big question is the extent of that. When does it move in? When does it move out? I think Wednesday is going to be a kind of a tricky day just because we'll have freezing rain and freezing drizzle first in the morning, then again late in the day. That's 11:30 in the morning. Notice that defined lull, and then more of that pink and purple color likely being some freezing rain, freezing drizzle. What's happening, there's some warmer air working in a loft at a few thousand feet in elevation. But right at the ground level, the air temperatures are probably going to have a hard time getting much above the freezing mark. So that will be the big concern for Wednesday. Some of that freezing rain leading to some ice accumulation and slippery travel on the untreated roadways. And then as we go into Thursday, in fact, Wednesday night to Thursday, the wind picks up out of the southeast. That scours out any of the leftover cold air. And temps are going to surge to near 50 degrees with a heavier band of rain moving through. That's during the morning. There might be a few spots in the mountains that hold on to some colder temperatures there. But it looks to be an all-rain event by Thursday with the winds gusting over 30 miles per hour and high temperatures around 50 degrees. Now, the steadiest rain Thursday should be during the morning hours. That will taper to rain showers by afternoon. It stays mild and windy, with again temperatures still in the upper 40s and lower 50s. Let's start talking about the snow situation. Not a huge snowmaker out of this, but Snow Tracker here. This is one forecast model, so take it with a grain of salt, of course. A lot of towns along coastal zones, around an inch of snow out of this one. Head back through Lewis and Auburn, Augusta, Waterville, 2, maybe 3 inches, some Sebago Lake area. Back through the mountains, I think there'll be spots that get 3 to 4 inches of snow. Perhaps slightly higher amounts as you head towards Carrabassett Valley, points north and east. As far as our forecast goes, coating to 2 should do it, and that's what we think anyway. This will be tomorrow night into Wednesday. Before that changeover to freezing rain, there might be some rain at the coastline, but I still think freezing rain will affect our weather for not only the morning, but also the afternoon commute. Inland areas, there'll still probably be some snow hanging on for the morning commute Wednesday as well. So I think 1 to 3 inches will do it from Sebago Lake, Lewis and Augusta, Waterville, interior York County, 2 to 4 inches back through the mountains there. And there might be spots up towards northern Maine that get upwards of a half a foot of snow. So early thought we'll probably play with those numbers a little bit. Again, that's Tuesday night into Wednesday. Tomorrow looks to be mostly sunny in the morning. That'll fade as clouds move in. I included some snowflakes because there might be some ocean effect snow showers, flurries later in the day. Don't think it's a big deal. Wednesday, we're dealing with some snow and freezing rain in the morning. There'll be that lull, and then some more freezing rain later in the day. Some coastal areas may actually see a little bit of rain as temps try to rise above the freezing mark. I actually put 36. That might be a little bit too warm. We'll have to reevaluate that. But regardless, heavier rain moves in on Thursday during the morning. It gets windy during that period. The winds will gust probably over 30 miles per hour. and then the rain tapers to rain showers by afternoon. Friday, we'll have clearing skies. Can't rule out a shower, especially snow showers in the mountains. Temps will be in the 30s. Saturday is probably the best part of the weekend. It gets a little breezy late in the day, and the reason for that, there'll be an Arctic cold front that moves through early Sunday morning. Now, it probably moves through during the overnight hours, Saturday night and Sunday, so I didn't include any snowflakes, but early morning snow showers on Sunday, it's possible. It looks like cold air will invade after that, and another storm moves back into the forecast for Monday. We could actually see some more snow and or wintry mix and rain move in with that one. Still too early to call that one. The bottom line here, it's a very active weather pattern for folks that thought that spring arrived over the weekend. It's going to stay that way. Unfortunately, that's not the case. It looks like we have many more chances for some wintry weather. Not only in the coming days, but in the coming weeks here. I don't really see any end to this very active weather pattern, at least over the next couple of weeks. So that's the way things look. We'll have more updates on CBS 13 at 11 and Fox 23 at 10. Hope you have a nice night.